Hi, Oh. What are you doing?
I play stickers.
You're playing with your stickers?
Yeah.
Do you like stickers?
Yeah.
Is that your happy face?
I love it.
What do you love?
Love cars and toys and trumpets and cars and soccer balls and happy face and teddy bears.
That's a lot of stickers. You want one more, okay? Here, I gotta pull it.
Okay. We are back to you. Middle car. A car.
You have a car one?
A car. Gym. More sticker left.
What are you doing?
I got fire.
Fire truck?
A fire truck. No. Like a umbrella.
An umbrella?
Yes, a George. George.
Curious George?
George, you.
Oh, bye, sweetie. See you later.